Hi guys, this is Lee with the Market Sense for the week of May 12th, 2020. The charts in this presentation are provided to us from the Trade Navigator software. This is the weekly bond chart, and I think you're going to get tired of looking at this. I know I am. We've got nothing but sideways. We've got no exhaustion bars. We've got no moves outside the bands. We're just sort of trending sideways here, and it's hard to see what it would take to get it to move out. Uh, we, uh, we've come back up this week, not in a major way, even though there's a fairly good break in stocks, so maybe that's a negative sign. But I think we're looking to see if we can get up here to the 180.30 middle level and possibly 182.16 up here to the upper band. But unless they break below 177.20, I don't know, it's 27, 28, 120, 177.28, let's say. If they break considerably below that, then we could be looking at a move down here below 174. I don't see any reason for that to happen. I will say this, as boring as this is and as tight as this sideways pattern is looking, the longer they go sideways, the bigger the move out will eventually become. And obviously, the most likely direction for that is down after this move. But, I'm not going to tell you they can't go to 200 because they can. But it's just a matter of waiting and seeing if we can start to see them if they start to move out of this range. But again, we're still looking at this massive range set up by these 2 weeks here, 192, 167 roughly. And I still believe that's probably going to contain them for the entire rest of the year. Now in stocks, this is fascinating to me. 2 weeks ago, they turned down, and this kind of looked like a very toppy pattern, like this might be the start of something going down. They reversed it right back up the next week, so that didn't help anything. And now they've sort of started reversing back down again this week. Reversal, 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 just a market that's in indecision, so that doesn't really tell us anything. But we were kind of looking for them to get up to the 29.85 area here to see how they handle that resistance, and they haven't even come close. And this 28.50 area here is, I think, rather critical for the week, and they, at least as of Tuesday evening, seem to be trying to work down below it. If they do get below it, the next level is around 27.65 here, and that is just marginally below last week's low. If they take out 27.65, they could possibly go considerably lower. I mean, possibly below 2,500, and I do mean this week. I would still like eventually to see them take out this low. I mean, that would make this pattern look right to me. It looks like they should do that. I'm not going to say they have to though, and you know, this 28.50 area really critical this week. Since they made this move up here, they have not been able to close back below that middle moving average. They're continuing to trade up above that, which is pretty impressive. So if they can't close below 28.50 this week, then gosh, maybe they're still moving higher. But that's the area to watch right there. As long as they stay below that, then they have a tendency to break. And if they can get below 27.65, they might break with some authority. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into, and I hope everybody is staying very